Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Classico espresso machine. Now for this machine was right here, you can see it wasn't powering on, and that was because this little one that you see right here was not making contact between these two. So it was not letting power through the machine and therefore it was not powered on. We replaced it with this one. This one, you can see it's a bit different, but it has the sign of power and it does have that as well. So starting one shot of espresso, we're going to test the machine out. We also replace the gasket of the machine. Let me close this. We also replace the gasket of the machine, as you can see right here. This is the older one, this one was previously leaking all over the place. And as you can see, this one is definitely not leaking. The shot of espresso that came out of this machine is amazing. Just look at it. Wow, looking great. Excellent crema. Really good crema. Cover for this machine, as you can see, works perfectly fine. Nice steady steam. Another one. And now we're gonna be testing the steam. Just gonna wait for the machine to heat up. Okay, machine is ready to go. Now for this one, there was nothing really to do, but as you can see, it's steaming out properly. Steam coming out of the machine, working great. Excellent for espresso. So there you have it, Saeco Classico working once again. So thank you so much for being in Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.